Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Katie and I love making college videos and lifestyle videos in general, and I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe for more videos. But today I'm so excited because I'm kicking off my back to school series with a dorm shopping vlog, because if you guys don't know, I go to the University of Alabama and I'm a rising junior, but this semester I am studying abroad for the fall, and then when I come back I'm in a totally new apartment, so it's a lot. So I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. I'm going to go to the store today and just kind of browse around, and I really wanted you guys to feel like you were just shopping with me. I am planning on doing an actual haul video, like a huge haul video of all my stuff, so if that video is already up, I'll link it down below. If not, it should be coming in the next couple of days. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. I am so excited, so I'm going to get in my car and go now. My really cute outfit of the day is this Bama Bound t-shirt that I've had for forever, with these white shorts that are from Lululemon. I got them from the outlet. They were only like $30, so y'all should definitely check that out if you ever go. And then just some sneakers, so yeah. I'm at this like outdoor shopping center right now, so I'm very excited to see what I find. So yeah, let's go. So I'm starting it off with a bang. Obviously, I'm in the bathroom towel sets aisle. I'm thinking the color scheme I want to go for my bathroom is gray, maybe like grays and whites. I might incorporate some of the blues as, oh, this is so soft. I need this. This is so soft. I need to find this in towel form. Oh, I found it. I'm getting this towel, guys. I like this for the shower curtain. Really simple, chic, I feel like. The most exciting part of the store, toilet plunger holders. Is that what they're called? Scrubbers. This is arguably my favorite section of the store. This is the comforters and sets. So I'm really trying to find a simple twin XL bedding set, because I'm pretty sure my bed's twin size like most of them are. It has a comforter, a sham, and then a square cushion, and it's so soft, and it's like this pretty shade of blue. Then I also like this one that is gray and really cute, and this one has just like one sham and one comforter, but it's also the extra long size. So I feel like they're doing a new thing with beddings lately, is where they do a complete set that has the comforter and then also has a bunch of decorative pillows. I've never seen this before, but I have the hardest time matching decorative pillows to comforter sets. So for example, this one has like these two, and then this one has a skinny one and a square one. So I don't have a king size bed, so this is kind of irrelevant, but I'm looking for one that's a twin that also has this stuff going on. I'm literally in pillow heaven right now. So I've officially decided I'm gonna do white bedding. I think my accent colors are gonna be gold, pink, and black, but I'm not sure. I think one of these floor pillows would be really nice, because I think it's really comfortable when people come over and they just have somewhere to sit if I don't have a couch in my room or something. I really like this pillow with the gold, and then this is like blue. I love the style of this pillow. I've never seen a pillow that is fluffy kind of on the ends like this. I think that's really, really cute. So not necessarily the colors that were meant to go with this. Kind of a work in progress right now, and I'm just trying to think. Everything here is getting me really inspired, so I'm happy about that. Currently in the fake succulents and plants section of the store. I think I could probably put this up somewhere, and it goes along with the gold theme, but it incorporates some green, which is exactly what I'm going for. I'm trying to incorporate some plants as well into my space, just because I think it brings a lot of life into the room. So I mean, I say that, but this is a fake plant, but anyway. I feel like I'm so torn between doing a blue theme or doing a pink theme. I think I'm drawn to both styles, and then I'm also really drawn to a super neutral style. So if anyone else has this problem, I think it's really hard for me to commit to a specific design for my room. I really think I need to get some school supplies now, so I'm trying to find a good planner for me, because I go through planners and I'm trying to find one that's a good layout for me. I think this is probably the cutest planner in the whole store. Cute quote, and then the monthly spread is just huge, which is literally my favorite thing ever, because I have so much going on that I just like to be able to write like work and YouTube, and then school due dates, extracurriculars, clubs, activities. Let me know if you guys want me to make a planner video, because I literally have so many planner tips, because I have tried so many different planner spreads, but I always come back to just having like a really nice monthly spread. I really like this one. It's only $10 too. I have always wanted a letterboard. I have one of these, but I think that these are just really cute. I just don't know if I want the big size or if I want the small size, but this is cheaper, so I'll probably go with that. Guys, I just found a continuation of the office section and I am the happiest person on the planet right now because gold and pink. And this is rose gold, so that'll work perfectly. There's the letterboard again. It's a sign I have to get one, so I think I will be doing that. On the flip side, this is the type of decor that really gets me because it's just so simple and sweet. And I'll let you guys take a second to read this because I really like it, or you can pause the screen. I love this. So sometimes I struggle with deciding what type of theme I want to go for because it's just pieces like this that remind me I just like clean stuff that's just really chill and not anything busy. So I guess you guys got to stay tuned for my college dorm haul that will actually show what I ended up going with. Update on the situation, I've decided that I'm not going to be doing the gold and pink and black theme because I found some new stuff and it kind of made me change my mind. So yeah, but I feel like I found pieces that I really love, so I'm excited to show those to you guys. I wanted to get a few of these containers for lunch and things like that just because I plan on meal prepping and then taking my lunch to class and everything like that. They also help me to not go out every single day so I can pack my lunch. I'm now in the tech section and I'm kind of looking at some of these just because I have just started the whole veggies as noodles trend, so I'm thinking maybe I should get a little spiralizer like this. I'm just trying to look at some of this stuff and see if there's any kitchen items or kitchen type of items that I might want for cooking because I definitely plan on cooking while I'm abroad because I definitely don't want to eat out for every single meal because that's just not going to be good for my wallet. I'm trying to think of some items that I could maybe take that would be helpful, so I guess you'll see if I find anything. I'm also considering getting a new water bottle to work out in. I really like my Hydro Flask. I think it's a little bit big for just taking to the gym, so I kind of like the idea of getting maybe a smaller one that is easier to pack with me in a slim bag. This one's really cute and apparently it has 24 hours cold and I love that. Hi guys, so I'm currently chilling outside. I'm really excited to film my haul. I don't want to show you guys too much of the stuff. I kind of just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek so you feel like you're shopping with me at the store. So stay tuned for my really, really huge college dorm haul. Again, I'll link it down below once it's up. But that was just sort of like a little bit of shopping for today. Alright, so I just pulled up to Starbucks because I need to get some work done. The Wi-Fi at my place has not been working for me and I want to get a video up within the next 15 minutes. So we're just gonna hope that Starbucks has fast Wi-Fi. I really just wanted to get some work done. Also just plan out my schedule a little bit for this upcoming week, really the upcoming month, because everything is about to be going by so fast because my internship's about to end and my online classes are about to end. And then for that, the month of August is just gonna be a whirlwind. It's gonna be so crazy. So I'm just gonna go in here, get myself like a little refresher, just have my huge bag that I take with me almost everywhere. And I am going to hopefully get some work done and then I'll catch y'all after. So I just got back from Starbucks. I'm going to go inside and get dinner because I realized I did not eat a real like lunch. I had kind of like a combined breakfast and lunch this morning, so I need to eat dinner. So I'm gonna do that, and then after I eat dinner I'm going to get a good workout in, and then I'm going to probably work on some online school because I have a finance quiz that's due tonight, and then I do have my internship tomorrow, so I don't want to stay up too late because I have to get up at 7 a.m. for that. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan, so I'm gonna go and get dinner now. So I'm home now and I wanted to show you guys my dinner. I'm just going to eat this and watch an episode of House Hunters International because that's my fave, but this is just some boneless pork rib with this mix which I got from Trader Joe's. It's so good. This one has mushrooms, green beans, and some potatoes and like some seasonings on it, and it's just like a really simple dinner, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm eating tonight. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat this, and then after that I'm gonna do more stuff as I told you guys in the car. So this is my workout outfit. I'm wearing the same shorts and shoes from earlier, and I'm just wearing this little tank top to work out in. I'm thinking I'm gonna do some cardio, some abs, and some arms today just because I haven't worked those out in a while and I really need to. As you can see, I have not taken a shower yet. I actually just wanted to spend the last like 30 minutes or so getting my finance quiz out of the way because I just wanted to be able to shower and then not have anything else for the rest of the night. So that's what I did. I think I'm gonna shower and then watch the episode of The Bachelorette that was last night. It's literally the only reality show series that I watch, and I don't know why. I think it's addicting, but my two front runners right now are Jason and Blake, so please comment down below if you watch that show who y'all's front runners are, because I'm very curious to know who y'all think will win. But that is pretty much all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you'll subscribe if you're new and you like this video. I'm so excited to be kicking off my back to school series. I'm so excited for y'all to see my college dorm haul. I will say that most of the items that I purchased for my haul were not in today's vlog. I did that because I wanted my haul to show a bunch of different items. I got so many things. I'm just so excited to show you guys all the pieces. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I will talk to you guys very soon. I love you so much. Bye.